notice that your body lotions are not working for you, maybe you've been using your Vaseline body lotion, your Nivea, or your Face Facts body lotion, and they've not been working well for you, or you've not seen any difference in your skin, well guys, you need to start using 2 body lotions in your skincare routine. I know it sounds crazy, but yes, you need to start using 2 body lotions in your skincare routine, because when you use 2 body lotions, you're going to get the premium results you've always desired for your skin. Okay, guys, and welcome back again to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use 2 body lotions correctly in your skincare routine. I know some of you might even be using 2 body lotions in your skincare routine, but the truth of the matter is that you're still not seeing any result or any change in your skincare and your skin, or you're just seeing the same thing. Well, it might be because you're not even using the right body lotions in your skincare routine. Okay, that is why you need to understand 3 things. You need to ask yourself 3 key skincare questions. Number 1 is, what is my skin type? Number 2 is, what is my skin concern? And number 3 is, what am I trying to achieve with my skin? These are the 3 key skincare questions you need to ask yourself before picking any skincare, any form of body lotion to use. Okay, so if you've been using body lotions like Nivea or Vaseline, and you're trying to glow up your skin or brighten out your skin, and you're still not getting that result that you've always wanted, well, you need to start pairing your body lotion with some other body lotions that will help to boost the effectiveness of your Nivea or your Vaseline body lotion. Okay, so now an example of body lotions that you can use to brighten out your skin, that you can pair with your Vaseline or your Nivea, and you can pair with it, and it's going to give you that desired skincare result. Or maybe you can pair with also your E45 body lotion or your EOS body lotion. Some of the body lotions you can pair with them are, the first one is the Vaseline gluta-hya flawless bright body lotion serum. Yes, you can actually pair it with it. Or the Brightening body serum. Yes, these are amazing other body serums that you can actually pair your body lotion with to give you that brighter skin. Okay, now the reason why I love the Vaseline gluta-hya brand and also the Brightening body serum is because they are body serums. Okay, they are body serum lotions, and if you're conversant with serums, you know what serums do, right? Serums actually help to target specific skin concerns. Now imagine you using the Vaseline body serum lotion or body lotion serum and using it with either your Vaseline body lotion or your Nivea body lotion, which is supposed to actually brighten out your skin. Guys, your skin is going to be bright, your skin is going to get brighter. But guys, I'm going to also tell you guys, if you watch the video to the end, I'm also going to share with you guys how to actually use it, okay, to get the desired results. Okay, because some of you might not know how to use it to get the desired result, get your desired result. Okay, the second set of people are people who are trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and also even out their skin tone. Okay, and I know they're using products like Medix 5.5 vitamin C body lotion, or they're using the advanced clinicals vitamin C body lotion, or using body lotions like the Olay vitamin C body lotion. These are amazing body lotions that are supposed to get rid of your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, and even at your skin tone. But some of you are not really getting results from using any of these body lotions. Well, yes, you need to also pair it with another body lotion that will help to boost the effectiveness of the body lotion of the Medix or the Olay or the advanced clinicals vitamin C body lotion that you're using. Now, pairing these body lotions with either the Amlactin body lotion or the Alpha Renewal body lotion or the Ameliorate body lotion or Koji White body lotion, guys, amazing. These are amazing. All the lotions I'm mentioning, they are amazing body lotions that would give you 10x or 20x results of your desired skin goal. Yeah, so I know you have a skin goal of getting rid of your hyperpigmentation and evening out your skin. So guys, this will give you 10x 2x results, okay, you in no less than how many days, how many weeks, guys. So yes, so if you're looking out to even out your skin tone, get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, well, yeah, you can actually tilt in repairing your Medix, your Olay, or your advanced clinicals with any of these or the other body lotions I mentioned to reduce signs of aging. Maybe you're looking out for anti-aging body, anti-aging skincare products, and you want to reduce signs of aging. Maybe you already beginning to have wrinkles, aging skin, and the rest, guys. See, retinol is an ingredient that you need to start infusing in your skincare routine. Yes, retinol is an ingredient you need to start infusing in your skincare routine, and you need to also use, and you cannot use retinol in the daytime, okay? You cannot use it in the daytime, you need to use it at night. So if you're looking out to evening out your skin tone, maybe brighten out your skin, at the same time reduce the signs of aging on your skin, well, you can actually pair any of your brightening body lotions or with this particular body lotions I'm going to mention, like the Medix 5.5 retinol body lotion, or the Olay retinol body lotion, or the advanced clinicals retinol body lotion. Guys, you see these body lotions, imagine you pairing them with the Medix 5.5 vitamin C body lotion or the advanced clinical vitamin C body lotion. Guys, your skin will glow. Guys, your skin will glow. Like your skin is going to so glow, and you're going to start aging backwards. You're going to start having this youthful, glowing skin that you've always desired. Okay? Now, how can you actually use these two body lotions in a routine? You don't have to use them together. Okay, that's something that you need to understand. You don't have to use them together. You can use your your Vaseline or your Nivea or your Medix 5.5 vitamin C or your advanced clinicals vitamin C body lotion or your Olay vitamin C body lotion. You can use them in the daytime. That's fine. You can use them in the daytime. That's okay. That's fine. But at night, you should now go in with those body lotions that contain key active ingredients. For example, your Vaseline gluta-hya body lotion serum, it contains some active key ingredients. Yes, some people use them in the daytime, it's fine, but using them at night will help to even boost the effectiveness of that particular body lotion serum. Okay, so using them at night is good. Well, for amlactin, alpha renewal body lotion, and the rest, these are body lotions that should not even be used in the daytime at all, because they contain some key active ingredients that should not even have direct contact with the sun. Because if you use them under the sun, it could even damage your skin. Okay, so you don't want to use them in the daytime, because amlactin contains lactic acid, which is an AHA, and alpha renewal body lotion contains glycolic acid, which is an AHA, and kojic white contains kojic acid, which you should not even try using under the sun. You should not even try using in the daytime. These are skincare ingredients that you should not even use in the daytime. Okay, we should not even have direct contact with the sun, so it is good for you to use them at night. Use them as your night body lotions, while your Medix 5.5 vitamin C, your Olay vitamin C, and the rest, you can use them in the daytime. That is fine. Okay, even your Dr. Teal's, use them in the daytime. That is fine. Okay, while your retinol body lotions as well, you cannot use your retinol body lotions in the daytime. You need to use them at night, because retinol should not be used in the daytime. You should not have direct contact with the sun, or else it's going to damage your skin. So you don't want to even try using your retinol body lotions or anything that contains retinol in the daytime. Use them at night. Okay, guys, that is how to pair two body lotions together in a skincare routine. So to summarize everything I've been saying in this video, okay, you can pick any body lotion to use in the daytime. Okay, pick any one, whether it is a Nivea body lotion or a Vaseline body lotion or any body lotion that you desire to use. Okay, just pick them, use them. Then if you're looking out to either brighten out your skin, then all those body lotions I mentioned for brightening out the skin, the Vaseline gluta-hya and the Boots brightening vitamin C serum, you can now pair it with it, but use it at night. Okay, well, if you're looking out to even out your skin tone, you can use any of the body lotions. You can use your Nivea, use any Nivea, any Vaseline body lotion. That is fine, but make sure you're pairing it with your amlactin or your alpha renewal body lotion or your kojic white body lotion, depending on what you want to achieve with your skin. Okay, use those ones at night. then you can use your Vaseline, your Nivea, and the rest in the daytime. If you're looking out to reduce signs of aging on your skin, or you're looking towards anti-aging skincare products, well, you can use any body lotion you desire in the daytime, okay? But at night, make sure you're going in with your retinol body lotion. I have already mentioned retinol body lotions. I have already mentioned body lotions that will help out with your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, and your uneven skin tone. I've already mentioned it. I've also mentioned body lotions that can help you out with brightening out your skin. So just pick out any of them I've mentioned, okay? Or you can even go ahead using any of the products I mentioned. You can go ahead by pairing it with the products I recommended. But that is fine, okay? But just make sure that the other body lotion you're getting will help to target that your specific skin concern, okay? Guys, this is all for this video. I hope you actually enjoyed this video that I made, and yes, let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this video, your questions. If you have questions you want to ask, or your thoughts about this video, if you have any other recommendation that you want us to, that you have for us, or any video you want me to make for you, let me know all that and more on the comment section, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So till then, bye.